the Bitcoin chart and we have dipped, guys. However, what I do want to talk to you about is how altcoins actually move. Let's actually go back to 2017/18 when we had this peak right here. So this was the massive peak that everyone was talking about. A lot of people obviously lost a lot of money with Bitcoin completely collapsing and the entire cryptocurrency market. However, guys, let me just point out the fact that at the peak, altcoins did not peak. Altcoins actually peaked, almost a month later, during this stage here. Let me go to the Ethereum chart right now, because I'm pretty sure Ethereum peaked, I think, around January the 16th or something like that. Yeah, as you can see, January the 11th, January the 13th. So it actually peaked a few weeks after the Bitcoin peak. And yeah, that is just the point of this video. Altcoins don't tend to fully explode, in my opinion, until Bitcoin has fully moved up, retraced, and is sort of in a consolidation level. Only then does money properly flow into altcoins, and we get those humongous altcoin seasons that could change your life. But yeah, when this dip is fully done, I believe that is what we will likely see for altcoins. So today, guys, here are 3 altcoins that I believe have the potential to grow massively in the coming alt season. The first coin I do want to talk about is Arweave. Now, Arweave is the only coin on here that has sort of pumped, as you can see. However, it is still pretty much retraced from its all-time high and still has a lot of room to grow. Now, what Arweave is it is basically the first time in history that you can store something permanently. So Arweave is a decentralized storage network. You can basically pay them once and they will store any data you want forever in a decentralized and immutable way. So a ton of you can probably actually see the ramifications of this coin. This is humongous and has never ever been done before. And a lot of other projects also see this. We have coins such as Solana, which are really big smart contract platforms, actually going to use Arweave to store their transaction data forever. So Arweave does have a massive use case, and it is also the only coin in its field. Arweave's technology is fully built. Well, not fully built, but they have actually built the technology so you can store things on their platform. On top of that, guys, Coinbase is behind it and Andreessen Horowitz. We also have the Internet Watch Foundation, Multicoin Capital. I don't know who the others are. I don't think they're that big, but guys, having Andreessen Horowitz and Coinbase behind a project is massive. One more thing I do want to mention is Filecoin, which is another storage coin. Obviously, it's a little different. You don't pay once on Filecoin. You have to pay pretty much like Amazon Web Services. You have to pay, I think, a monthly fee or something like that, guys, to keep your information on their blockchain. But yeah, just to give you an idea as to how big the market for storage is, as once again, data is everything. Data is essentially the new oil. Filecoin has a fully diluted valuation of 42 billion US dollars. And Arweave has a fully diluted valuation of only 274 million US dollars. So as you can see, Filecoin is magnitudes of US dollars higher than Arweave in terms of market cap. And I personally don't believe that's justified. There shouldn't be that much of a difference between the two projects. So yeah, in my opinion, Arweave is an undervalued project in the crypto space. It has still pretty much retreated from its all-time high, and I believe it has a ton of room to grow. Arweave also has the potential to literally be the backbone for the entire cryptocurrency industry. I mean, we've already seen projects like Solana using it to store their transactional data. I can see a number of other high-performance blockchains using Arweave to also do the exact same thing as well. If this coin were to 100x from here, it would put it at a market cap of around 18 billion, which in my opinion is not that big, considering the fact that I believe this coin could actually genuinely change the crypto industry and the world. Coin number 2 is Derivadex, and basically what they are is a decentralized cryptocurrency exchange, however, for derivatives. And if you don't know what derivatives are, they're basically futures. So when you go on Binance or any other exchange and you want to leverage trade, so for example borrow 10 times your amount, well, this is basically that, however fully decentralized and on the Ethereum blockchain. Now you may be thinking that the Ethereum fees are way too high for a project like this to ever gain that much substance. However, Derivadex claims that their fees will actually be competitive with centralized exchanges. So yeah, their platform will be extremely cheap, possibly even the cheapest DEX out there if they claim that this platform here will have competitive fees to centralized exchanges. And the way they do this is by using trusted hardware. As you can see here, Derivadex is a new kind of exchange with key performance advantages, including real-time price feed, fast trade resolution, and a competitive fee structure. As usual, guys, I don't really like investing into coins unless they have amazing backing, and this one does. We've got 3 Arrows Capital, who are one of my favorite VC coins to follow. We've got Coinbase and we've got Polychain Capital, another favorite. So this coin is stacked in terms of VCs. They obviously see the potential in Derivadex, and because they see it, I also see it. It's currently sitting at a market cap of 83 million with a fully diluted valuation of 347 million. Let's just pick a number in between. And I'm only doing it arbitrarily this way as I don't believe the team have released a coin release schedule yet. Also, I don't actually know when exactly any of these coins will finally 100x. Nobody can tell you that. But yeah, let's just pick 200 million. So to 100x, this coin would need to reach a market cap of 20 billion, which is pretty achievable for two main reasons. Firstly, crypto derivatives in a decentralized exchange, in my opinion, are a massive use case, and this could be one of the top DeFi coins out there. Secondly, once again, the cryptocurrency industry, in my opinion, will be worth trillions in the coming years. So yeah, you know, a $20 billion market cap in the grand scheme of things may not be that big in the future. If we're also looking at the price chart, as you can see, the price has pumped. However, we have once again retraced. I don't really like sharing coins with you guys that are currently pumping. So yeah, in my opinion, right now, Derivadex, if you are looking to accumulate it, now is a pretty decent time. You know, you obviously don't want to be accumulating it after it runs up. But yeah, hype has died down for it. The team are still building. I expect the DEX to be released hopefully pretty soon. And yeah, once it is fully released, I expect this cryptocurrency to gain a ton of traction. The number one coin I'll be talking about is quite a small market cap, and you know, for every video we do have to have at least one moonshot in there. So this currently has a valuation of 2.7 million US dollars. So as you can see, on 100x from here would only put it at a market cap of 270 million US dollars. So let's get into it. What exactly is DBase? DBase is an algorithmic stablecoin, and if you don't know what that is, basically it just uses code to ensure the price is pretty stable. And if we actually take a look at the price chart, you can obviously see it hasn't worked that well. Actually, no, we still are around $1 to be fair to the coin. However, you know, coins at this market cap fluctuate so much that you know, it's pretty impossible, no matter, you know, what you put in place, for them to stay at $1. But yeah, when its market cap does grow, I expect the actual price to stay around $1. But anyway, it's an algorithmic stablecoin. I do honestly believe algorithmic stablecoins will be massive, and this is because I do think that the SEC will be going after coins such as Tether and other centralized stablecoins. So the cryptocurrency industry will need another way to access these stablecoins for trading. And yeah, I believe DBase could be one of those coins. So firstly, it uses stabilizer pools to ensure the price is, once again, you know, pretty stable. On top of that, it also has a flexible supply. It also has a governance token. However, in my opinion, I would say it's better to invest in the actual DBase token, as the DGov token could be worthless technically. I mean, you don't really get staking rewards from it, but yeah.